Rod Stewart, Young Turks. It is 10 minutes to 12. Madonna's here only just for a couple more minutes, and then Ted's coming in at 12. We're talking sleep deprivation. What can we do? Where can we find you guys?
94 Edith Street in Wynnum.
In Wynnum, so if anyone has any issues, they can head down and have a chat with you.
Yep, and the number's 3348 6098.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I reckon it's something that, a lot of people, it sits in the back of their mind.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they think that their bad day or they're feeling awful is just because they're so busy all the time. Well, that can be fixed.
Yeah, exactly. And like we say, it takes time, and this is why I like the testing, because it gives me an indication of how long things are going to take.
Yeah.
So if someone's really toxic or really deficient or, then that takes time to build up in the body.
Yeah.
We're talking millions of processes every second in our body. So
a lot of people probably hear this word toxins that we mention a lot, and that's because every day you absorb, you eat, you consume.
Yeah.
Your body will take what it needs, and the rest that's just sitting in our glands, sitting in our tissues.
Right.
Causes a lot of tension and stress.
And we've even chatted about things like EMFs, so the electromagnetic frequencies from our phones, from our iPads, from our televisions, from our just everything at home. Those are now being seen to start to build up in cell walls, and it's being linked in with insomnia and sleep disorders as well. So it's another reason for not having those things in your bedrooms. Mm-hmm. They're talking about blue lights these days, how that or sleep hygiene, how you've got to get these things out of your room. You've got to start, really thinking about what is going on in my room. It's funny, my mum, the insomniac, night owl, so she always sleeps with her phone because in her brain, there could be, she's still the second oldest out of 11 kids. Yeah. So she's nearly at that matriarch level, and what if there's an emergency in her family?
That's right.
And you go, well, there's always 7 other sisters. 8. There's lots.
Families were always big back in the day.
Yeah, so, it's sort of about really looking at those things, taking it to heart, and really start working on what you're eating before dinner, making sure you're not having something with way too much sugar, because that can be exciting your brain before bed, and how often, that's the thing people like, that little bit of a sweetie or something before bed, trying to balance that out.
Yeah, you always sort of get that afternoon or late evening, kind of sugar crave, which, again, isn't necessarily a good thing you're craving. It just means your sugars or everything, the natural good stuff's depleted.
Yes, and it can be that we haven't had enough protein and good fats earlier on in the day, your avocados, your cottage cheeses. Sorry, we were chatting about her brekkie before.
I know, we're getting very hungry. All right, well, we're going to go to a song. We're going to hit to the Rolling Stones, then we're going to come back, have another quick chat, say goodbye and whatnot. But right now, I can't get no satisfaction. This is Bay FM 100.3, live and local across the bay.